To use the screen recorder on POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all, let me tell you how to open it and start the screen recording. Then we'll go through all of the options that are available for it. So to enable it, you'll need to perform a swipe down from the top right corner of the screen and then look for a screen recorder. It should be in those icons right here. If you cannot see it, then click on edit. I don't have it, so I'm going to actually add it, and it's much better because you will see how it looks like. So there's a screen recorder right here. Click on the plus button and then it should be added to those icons. You can click on it to begin screen recording. Make sure to allow any permissions. Then you can see this toolbar. All you have to do is click on this red button and that way begin screen recording. Now let me stop it and then show you all of the settings and explain them. So we have the settings button. Click on it. It should open a screen recording options. First thing that you can change is resolution for your videos. You can switch between full HD, HD, or I actually forgot the name for it for this resolution specifically, but it's 800 by 480. You can let me down in the comments to how to name this basically. Okay, so next thing is video quality. You can change video quality in megabytes per second and megabits per second and adjust it to 100 between 1. So for better video quality you can go higher like this, but this will also increase the size of your video files, so you can have very big files when you set it to the maximum 100. Then the orientation. This will change the orientation for your video. You can go for auto, portrait, which I have right now, or landscape, which will change it to basically view when you flip your phone with auto rotation. Then there's the sound source. If you have microphone or something connected, you can select it right here. If you don't want any sound, then click on none, or if you want, you can use both the system sounds and the microphone. Then there's the frame rate. You can change the frame rate for your videos, which will also increase the file size, but anyway, you can put it between 15 FPS to up to 90 FPS. Then there's the option for options for recording, like lock screen to end. If you click on the lock screen button and basically lock your screen, then the video recording will end automatically. You can enable show touch gestures, which will show white dots where you press the screen. So basically, if you're recording and press somewhere, it will show a white dot in that space. Then there's show button tabs and visual navigation button tabs. If you have navigation set for gestures, then it will specifically show which gestures you've performed during the video recording. And that is all of the options for screen recorder. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.